Now children, here I am explaining your 12th question of your exercise 10.2. Your question is, a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm. So this radius is given of 4 cm. Circumscribe a circle means you have to draw circle in a triangle in such a manner that boundary of a circle should touches all sides of a triangle. Now here it is given BD and CD divided into of length 8 cm and 6 cm respectively. Find out the length of side AB and AC. Now here these two arms are divided by this point of contact D into measurement 6 cm and 8 cm, and here I have to find out length of AC and AB. Now how to find it? Quite lengthy question. Try to understand this question properly. Now here what I should do, let this point of contact be E and this point be F. If I will join it, so you may observe C, A and B will be your exterior point. Though it will be your exterior point, CE is equals to CD, BD is equals to BF. It means though it is 6 cm, so this one will also be 6 cm. This length will also be 8 cm. And if I will assume AE as X, so this AF will also be X. Now here I have to find out this length AE. If I will get length AE, I can add both, I will get AC. Here after adding both, I can find AB. So how to write it? Here I am writing join E, OE and OF. Also I am writing here CD is equals to CE. So this information you can write down. I guess it is understood to you. So here you can write CD is equals to CE, that is of 6 cm. BD is equals to BF. Okay, I am writing CD is equals to CE, that is of 6 cm. BD is equals to BF, that is of 8 cm. And AE is equals to AF. Here I have assumed X. Now, how to get it? May I join this CO? So here I will get a triangle, and if I will join this AO, so you can observe my triangle ABC is divided into 3 triangles, which are AOC, COB and AOB. So here area of triangle COB is equals to area of triangle COB is equals to half base into height. So here half, your base will be 8 plus 6, that is 14, into height is 4. 2 4s are, which is equals to 28 cm square. Similarly, area of triangle AOB. So here AOB, same formula I will apply, half base into height. So half base will be 8 plus x and height is 4. So 2 2s are 4. So I can write, if I multiply this 2 inside, I will get 16 plus 2x centimeter square. After that, here area of triangle AOC. Again same formula, half base into height. So here, which is equals to half base is 6 plus x and height is 4 into 4 centimeter square. So will be cancelled out by 2, and if I will multiply it by 2, here I will get 6 2s are 12 plus 2x centimeter square. Now see, so if I want to find out area of ABC, it means I can write down area of COB plus area of AOB plus area of AOC. So area of triangle ABC is equals to area of COB, which I got here, 28 plus 16 plus 2x plus 12 plus 2x centimeter square. So here, while I will add this, you will get 28 plus 10, 38 plus 10, 48, plus 2, 50, plus 6, 56, plus 4x centimeter square. Let this is your equation number 1. Now, again x unknown. So, if I will be able to get area by another formula, and if I will get any relation, any equation, so that after equating I can find out the value of x. So, what you can do here, in 9th standard one chapter you have studied, that is Heron's formula. So, by using Heron's formula, I can again find out area of this triangle, because all sides are unknown. If whole height of this triangle is known, so directly I can apply that formula, but this whole height of this triangle is not given. So, that formula directly I cannot apply. So, by using here Heron's formula, first of all I have to find out S, that is semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means sum of all sides divided by 2. So, which is equals to, here I will write 6 plus x plus 8 plus 14 centimeter whole divided by 2, which is equals to, when you will add it, you will get 14 plus 6, 20 plus 8, 28 by 2 plus 2x. So, you will get 14 plus x centimeter. This is your semi-perimeter. Now, area of triangle ABC as per Heron's formula will be S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So, here under root of your S is 14 plus x. Again, S is 14 plus x minus your A is 6 plus x. So, minus 6 minus x into, again S 14 plus x minus B is minus x minus 8. Again x 14 plus x and C is 8 plus 6, that is 14 centimeter square. So, when I will simplify it, here you will get 14 plus x, xx will be cancelled out, into 14 minus 6, here you will get 8, into, again xx will be removed, 14 minus 6, that is 8, and 14 minus 8 will be 6. Here 14 will remove, you will get x centimeter square. This is your equation number 2. Now observe, this is your area of ABC and this is also your area of ABC. So, equating 1 and 2, here I will get 56 plus 4x, which is equals to under root of 14 plus x into 6 into 8 into x. Now, squaring on both the side, if I will do squaring on both the side, here this root will be removed. So, 56 plus 4x, and if you want to simplify it little bit more, okay, leave it. So, square, which is equals to 14 plus x into 6 into 8 into x. So, when you will solve this, here a plus b whole square identity you will apply, here multiplication and further simplification will give you final equation, that is x square plus 7x minus 98, which is equals to 0. Now, as we are knowing 14 sevens are 98. So, here I can write down factors x plus 14, x minus 7, which is equals to 0. Now, how to split a middle term? You all are knowing, you have already studied in polynomial chapter and also in 9th standard. So, here you will get now, so x is equals to minus 14, which is not possible because length can never be negative. So, x is equals to 7. Now, substitute these values here in AB and AC. So, here AB is equals to 8 plus 7, that is 15 centimeter, and AC is equals to 6 plus 7, that is 13 centimeter. So, hope this question understood to you.